Good evening everybody and welcome to the next dose of the Hindu Daily Current Affairs of 6th April 2021 in under 10 minutes. Right? So let's start as soon as possible. So today our first news is that the Russian Foreign Minister by the name of Sergey Lavrov, right? You don't need to remember the name, okay? Now his foreign minister name is Sergey Lavrov. Now he is on a visit to India, right? Now his visit to India contains many aspects. Now let us see what are the aspects are, and this is a main topic. First let me tell you. First, the reason of his coming of India is concerned with the Quad, right? The Quad, as we know, is a group comprising of India, USA, Japan and Australia. Now this group is basically made to counter China. And as we know that China and Russia, these two are communist countries, so one hand scratches the another, as you can say. So now Russia has indirectly come in support of China. Now the second topic why he is here is because of the Afghan talks, right? Now India felt a bit hurt because India was not allowed to attend the Troika talks, right? Now what are the Troika talks? It considers of the Afghan peace process, right? Now as we know that the USA is about to leave Afghanistan, right? That means Afghanistan peace process has to start. So the peace process was between Russia, USA, Afghanistan, right? Now these are the three people, that is why it is known as the Troika talks. Now Pakistan was also allowed in this meeting, right? As an observer status you can say, but India was not certainly invited. So as the meeting was being conducted by Russians, so India felt a bit hurt, right? Now the third and the final provision why he is here is the purchase of S-400. As we can see that the India is about to purchase the best anti-missile defense system by the name of S-400. So as we know that USA has told that if India buys S-400, there certainly would be some amount of sanctions. So they had a quite bit of discussion on these topics also. Now let us move to the second topic today. The second topic today is that the central government has ordered all of its employees above 45 years, right, to get vaccinated, right? Now this is a good thing. At least the government employees who are, you can say, the high risk people, they will get vaccinated. Now let us move to the third news. The third news is very important and it can be asked in prelims. Now the Delhi High Court has stated, now it is a very good topic, that salary pension, right, is a fundamental right now, right? By using its jurisdiction of under Article 226, the Delhi High Court has stated that the salary and the pension are now fundamental rights, and the salary and the pension are the fundamental rights under the fundamental right of part of right to life and liberty, right? Now this is a question which can be asked in prelims and it is very, very important. Now let us move on to the fourth, right? The fourth is a bit deep topic, right? It comprises both of pre and mains. Now the center has issued an ordinance, right? Now what is the name of the ordinance? The ordinance name is Tribunal Reforms, Rationalization and Conditions of Service, right? Now this is the new ordinance. Now in this ordinance what the central government has ordered is that all the appellate bodies coming under the particular 9 acts, right? Now what are the 9 acts? It is the Copyright Act, Customs Act, Patents Act, Airports Authority of India Act, Trademarks Act, Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protections Act, Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Acts, Control of National Highways, Land and Traffic Acts, and lastly Cinema Photograph Act. Now these acts do not concern you. The concern is this, that these acts have a provision of appellate bodies, right? Now these appellate bodies, whatever the powers they had are being transferred to the respective high courts. Now this is the first thing. Second thing which has been done, that the term of the chairman, right, as we know that the term of the chairman is being now reduced to 4 years or 70 years, which is earlier. Okay, now this is a question which can be asked in the prelims, that what is the term of the chairman which has been changed, right? Now why does this act concern us? It is very important because it was based on an earlier order of Supreme Court, right? And one thing ought to remind you all, that tribunals come under the Constitution under Article 323B. Okay, now moving on the next topic, the fifth point is that there you should know in geography, and it is a totally a prelims question, that there is a reef by the name of Whitsun Reef, right? It is also known as Julian Felipe Reef, right? Now you all know what are coral reefs, right? And why it is important, that is very necessary. If you see that this is the area of South China Sea, right? Now there are these islands, and here it is located as Philippines, right? They are located as near Philippines. Philippines says that these are their islands, and China and Vietnam both are trying to claim their provisions to it, right? Now this can be asked in geography because it is a factual question, है ना? That what are the reefs which has been in the conflict? So you should remember the name. It is Whitsun Reef or Julian Felipe Reef. Okay. Now moving on to the sixth topic, right? The sixth topic is Purchasing Managers Index, right? Now Purchasing Managers Index indicates that what is the kind of purchasing which has been going off in the country by the industries, right? Now this is being released by IHS Markit. Now this is a factual question which you have to remember, and it is being fall down, but still it is a good sign of India that it has fell down, but it is not fell down too deep. Okay. Now second point to remember in this topic is that why it is happening, why it is falling, because reintroduction of COVID reforms, right? Because COVID restrictions are again, that means that the production or the buying capacity of the people both are going to fall down, right? Now moving on to the last topic, that is a factual question still for the prelims. As we have seen in UPSC prelims, these days factual questions are going around. So military exercises are an important part of the current affairs. Now La Perouse is a military exercise which is being going down, and it is a maritime exercise. That means it is a sea, or you can say it is a navy exercises going on between France and India. Okay. Now, earlier it was asked in UPSC, I think 2015 or 16, they had asked the questions about the joint military exercises. So we can expect that these certainly can also be asked, right? Now this was today's The Hindu in under 10 minutes. Thank you. Jai Hind.